These burger buns are very tasty and very soft. Very simple to prepare using pan. There is no difference in the taste. They taste same like oven baked buns. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special burger buns using pan. If you don't have oven, then this recipe is for you. Let's start the recipe by activating the yeast. First, in a bowl, take 50 ml of warm water. To this, add 20 grams of sugar. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. When sugar melts, add 2 grams of dry yeast. Mix and close the lid. Now set this aside for 10 minutes till yeast activates. In a mixing bowl, take 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Into this, add 1 gram of salt. Give it a mix. Now it's time to add our wet ingredients. I will add milk at first. Here I'm taking 95 ml of milk. It doesn't matter what type of yeast I am using. I every time activate the yeast in sugar water before starting the process. Add the yeast to the flour. Mix all the ingredients well into dough. When all ingredients mixed well, I'm adding unsalted butter 9 grams. Mix this butter into the dough. When butter combines well with the dough, we'll take out the dough to working surface and we'll start to knead the dough. Knead the dough till it becomes elastic without any breaks. When you stretch, dough should be like this. Now grease the bowl with oil and place the dough in it. Cover the dough and give rest for 1 hour or till the dough grows double in size. You can use stretch film or wet cloth to cover. After 1 hour, my dough grows double in size. Now we will make gas out and cut into 5 equal parts. Now cut the dough into 5 equal parts. Fold the edges towards inside and make it into ball shape. The top surface should be smooth. Now cover and give rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the dough balls, press gently to release the gas. Make it into a round and place it on parchment paper. When you have finished doing all, cover the dough balls with the damp cloth and rest it for 1 hour or till they grow double in size. After 1 hour, place a pan on gas, keep the flame in low, take the dough balls gently along with parchment paper and place them inside the pan. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the parchment and rotate the buns. Close the lid and cook for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, our pan buns are ready. I will show different types of burgers in my future videos using this kind of buns. I want to cut and show how they are inside. Look at this, they are so soft and fluffy. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.